We're here at the Helendorf Inn, room 716. All right, as soon as you come in, of course, you got your AC unit. You got a small table with a couple of chairs, 2 double beds, a mini fridge. You got some room for some clothes or whatever you want to do. A microwave, pretty good sized TV, ice bucket, place to put your junk. Again, like I said, got a phone. Plenty of room here. The Helendorf. Here's the bathroom. You got towels. You got soap. All right. Yes. Got a place to hang your stuff up. You got an ironing board. Coffee maker. Looks like you might have some stuff right there to wash your head. And of course, you know, one of the best things about this is the rustic look here at the Helendorf. But that's the short and sweet version of room 716. Helen, bye, baby.